just put this together for first stage with 2 pounds of desert jasper. So it's completely rough desert jasper. Here it is. Purchased it from Rock Shed. Actually, I think I got a pretty good deal. 2 pounds of desert jasper for $8. That's $4 a pound. Amazing, and it really seems like more than, 2 pounds of it. There's several different colors in it, and this stuff really shines up well when it's finished if it's done correctly. So we're going to run this for a week. Then I'm going to come back. Hopefully I'll remember this time to show the entire process. Just being lazy right now. This one I set up yesterday. This is some things that I have running first stage for a total of about 2 weeks that I'm not happy with yet because there's some cracking and some imperfections. So I went ahead and I'm rerunning it again. There's no sense in doing it unless you're going to do it right. That's the way I see it. So we got a week there and a week here. And I'll be back.